Abad. Next is Clarissa Flores.
Lyra Magpantay.
Miss Jonna Ayala.
Sara Del Rosario. Sara, pangatlo na to Sosyal.
Michelle Lazon.
Michelle, nakakarami ka na rin. And Jessa Margaret Librado. Judges ready? We're going to have the individual run modeling in front of you. Ready? Okay. Let's start with JL Abad.